To make a website on WordPress, it's super simple and I'll guide you through it step by step. Ready? Let's get started. So to start, you'll need to choose a hosting provider. Hosting is like renting a space for your website on the internet. Think of it as the house where your website lives. You'll need to choose a hosting plan, and providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator are great because they offer one-click WordPress installation. You'll also want to buy a domain name. That's your website's address, like www.yoursite.com. Some hosting services offer a free domain for the first year, which is a bonus. Next, once your hosting is set up, you'll log into your hosting account, and you should see an option to install WordPress. It's usually a simple process. Click Install WordPress, and it'll do the heavy lifting for you. WordPress will automatically be installed on your site, and you'll get a link to access your WordPress dashboard. That's where you control everything about your website, from adding pages to tweaking designs. It's kind of like the control center for your website. Then, once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to choose a theme. This is where the fun part begins. WordPress has thousands of free themes that you can use, or you can purchase premium ones from sites like ThemeForest. To find a theme, go to the Appearance section, then click Themes. You can either search for a theme from WordPress's directory or upload one you've purchased. After finding a theme that resonates with your style or business, click Activate, and your site's look and feel will change right away. Themes come with pre-designed layouts, so if you choose one, it'll have a general structure ready for you, making it easier to start adding content. At last, you'll begin customizing your site. This includes creating the essential pages that most websites need. Head over to the Pages section in your dashboard and click Add New. Some key pages to create are Home page, the first impression of your website. About page, tell your audience who you are, what you do, and why you're passionate about it. Contact page, provide ways for visitors to reach out to you, like an email form, phone number, or social links. Services portfolio page. If you're offering services or showcasing work, create a page for that. Once these pages are live, add posts if you're running a blog. Posts are like articles, and each post gets a unique page on your website. This is perfect for sharing updates, articles, or stories. Finally, don't forget the little details. This is where you fine-tune your site to make it uniquely yours. In the Customizer section, under Appearance Customize, you can change your site's colors, fonts, header images, and logos. Want to add a widget to show recent posts or social media links? You can do that too. You can also set up menus so people can easily navigate through your pages. This is also the time to set up any plugins you might need. Plugins are like little apps for your site. They can add cool features like contact forms, SEO tools, or security enhancements. Once you're happy with how everything looks, hit publish, and your website will be live for the world to see. With all these steps, you've got a WordPress site up and running. But remember, websites are ever evolving, so you can always go back and update or add new things as you grow. The best part? WordPress makes it easy to manage everything yourself without needing to learn complex coding. You're all set to get started. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you get the hang of it, it'll feel like second nature. You got this.